Welcome back to Scrapping with Lefty. Here's Lefty.
Hello YouTube. Hello viewers. What we're going to do is we're going to explore the different ways of taking apart. Let me turn this fan off. Hello YouTube. We're going to explore different ways of taking apart circuit breakers. You can drill these out. You can put them in a towel, bang them, smash them with a hammer, break it apart, chip away around it, put it in a vise, crush it. So we're gonna explore the different ways. Okay, first up, we're gonna drill out the rivets, or drill to one side. What's happening is that it's spinning. Try a larger drill bit. Okay, I had a 7/32 on there and it was spinning it. We'll try a 1/4 inch. That ain't working out. Which is one of the reasons why I don't like doing it that way. So what we're going to do is we're going to get any sort of hammer. I prefer to use this one. Basically what you want to do is break around those rivets. In order to get to the parts you're looking for. This is going into tin. So you now go copper, lug of silver, some steel. There's a little that rivet's brass. This is all steel. However, the tab there is brass with a lug of silver. Okay, so that took a couple seconds to do it that way. So now we'll try a different way. Throw 2 in there. Now you gotta pick through all this. piece. Still missing the other one. Here it is. This, pull that out. This one's still cinched down with the wire. Okay, but there's our pieces. Throw the rest of that into. You could pick your metal out, put it in with your shred, put it in with your steel, or you can take the whole thing and toss it in with your shred. Okay, what about triple pole or multiple pole contactors? The double pole, they're going to have a rivet going all the way through. 3, they're going to have this on there. That closes them all if one trips. And these are going all the way through. So let's attempt to drill that out. I'm using a 5/16 drill bit. Still no good. Okay, what about double and triple or multiple ganged up breakers? Take that off there. Going to do that on both sides. Now you gotta get to that center one. check, make sure you got all the components out. Okay, this is going to shred. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, and we're missing the third one. Three, where's the third? There it is. 3. All the rest of that is going to be magnetic. Okay, and then the double pull on one side, other side, done. So now once you got your pieces taken out, you're going to get your copper wire off there. All this is steel. Get the piece of copper off. And you got a piece of silver there. These springs sometimes are pretty tricky to get out, but you want to get it off here. Okay. Because this this is brass. That goes in with the brass. Sometimes they're copper. These, they are soldered on there. So, what we're going to do is I grab it from the silver piece, So now you could take your copper off. This is brass. You want to get this spring off. All this is steel. Of course, you got your silver there. You got a piece of silver there. Another piece. Now these give twist, whether you put it in your vise you got a piece of brass there, send piece, pull that out as easy as that, put that with your steel. You could use a couple pair of pliers. Or a vise. So now you got that separated from that. Copper wire off there. This is steel. Separate your wire from the. It looks like it's copper. But it's brass. This piece of silver. Grab it from the long ends, give it a twist, and it pulls right off. This entire thing is not all silver. There's a little piece of ceramic or some sort of material that the silver's around. So when you refine this, you're going to end up with little when I do it, it looks like little peach colored in the shape of this. So that's what you'll end up with. So you don't necessarily have to take them apart. Scrapyards, however they purchase these, they will purchase them. It depends on what type. I don't know if they do it by brand or what the scenario of how they do it, because I refine them and I break them down and I turn in individual parts. So I hope this helps somebody. There's money in these. You find a box. You get a lot of times the part that this hooks into the bar is often copper. Sometimes the newer ones are aluminum. But you get aluminum out of, you get the neutral side. Those are aluminum. They have 1,000 screws in them because of all the neutrals and the grounds going into it. But I like finding these. So again, so scrapyards, they will buy these, whatever, based on whatever formula they have, as is. So don't throw them in with your tin, your shred, into your steel, because these are worth a little bit more.